there's an encore for a ramp walk if you'd love to do it again after you say a few words. But I would love to, but I think they want you in the pictures. Please, shall we take you right up front to me?
Everyone. I'm sure you guys are having a great evening here. Very excited to be here, very excited because this association means a lot. Women and jewelry go hand in hand, and who doesn't like to wear diamonds and jewelry? I think every woman here would agree with me. GiLi definitely stands for youth, emotions, feelings, and I think somebody like me, I'm an all-heart person and feel a lot. So I guess the association is a correct fit. And I'm a modern woman who likes to dress up, who likes to be rightfully dressed for each occasion. And I guess GiLi will dress me up beautifully now. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Basu. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for the one and only Ms. Bipasha Basu. A small token of our appreciation. Thank you so much for your time and your effort. Good night. Thank you.